welcome to week 7 of the garden update. We've got a bunch of lettuce babies that need to go into bigger cups today. We've got a California Wonder green pepper as well. The radishes are coming along nice. I'm gonna up their nutrient solution today from just water to nutrient solution. Peppers are doing pretty well as well. I'm probably gonna get them into a bigger container today or tomorrow. Little lettuce baby here is nutrient deficient, so I'm hoping he's gonna bounce back. The basil, there's a lot of herb right now. We've actually already made pesto this week. We took actually a significant number of leaves off this plant and it's already bounced back. The other radishes are doing well as well. The cilantro is good and insane, as is the dill. I'm probably gonna have to start drying this stuff soon. And down here, the lettuce has exploded, the Swiss chard has exploded, and the tomato plant keeps producing lots of new little tomato babies, but I don't think I have any red ripe ones yet. Oh, okay, there's one back there that's starting to turn red. That's a good sign. I haven't been able to find any ripe plants. Oh wait, there might be, oh, there's one. Yes. Okay, that's really exciting. We're probably gonna eat that today, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, that's really exciting. So next time, I think I would put these guys in an individual, cat, no, let go of the camera, cat. Let go of the, no baby. I put this one in an individual bucket instead of having it in a tub like this, just for ease of refilling and light and etc. But now I know, so that's probably where this little one is going to go, into a bucket instead of into that bin. The strawberry plants are also finally really coming along. They did a lot of growth this week. This little one back here is starting to poke out, so I'm going to probably put them in a jar and redistribute these strawberry plants over some different holes just to give them a little more spacing. So in the basement, the tomatoes are continuing to grow. We burned them a little bit with too strong of a dose of nutrient solution, but I think they're gonna recover. The jalapenos are jalapenoing. They're getting pretty big. In fact, the weight of the plant is putting a little bit of stress on the roots. So it's tied up for now, and we're gonna have to figure that out. Thanks for watching. Before you go anywhere, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss any garden updates. See you next time.